it seriously. So here we go again. Thank you so much for watching this POV video, which was entirely shot on the Insta360 GO Ultra. Actually, for the most part, I was shooting just with this tiny camera, and I had so much fun using this because it's magnetic. You can mount it pretty much anywhere as long as it's metal, and it's so small that I actually dropped it out of my pocket and I didn't even notice it because it's a really small and lightweight camera. So thanks for watching again. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the like button for the algorithm. Also, if you want to try out this camera, use the links down in the description and get a special price. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so you are supporting my channel this way. So do check it out. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the scenery and the photos. And if you want to stay on the channel, then watch this video next. Thank you, and I'll see you in this one. Bye bye.